6 reasons why people choose white paint for their homes. It is no surprise that the most popular choice of color used when painting your home is white. Whether it is the interior of your home or exterior foundation, white provides the ultimate in the way of versatility and workability. This video will give you a detailed guide on the benefits on offer when you choose to paint your home white. It will also give you a better understanding, so you can make the most educated and informed decision when it comes to painting your home. Create a clean and fresh aesthetic. One of the most common reasons people choose to paint their home white is the crisp, fresh, and clean aesthetic it provides. White does not get enough credit for how much of an incredible aesthetic is generated by simply applying a coat of high-quality white paint. When you paint your home white, the options presented to you are endless. Perfect backdrop for decor. White paint opens up your home to so many possibilities and opportunities for decor options. It provides a perfect backdrop for your photographs, paintings, home goods, etc. The white background will produce more vibrancy in your colored pieces and allow for them to stand out more. No matter how many times you change out your decorative pieces, a white canvas will always provide an ideal and workable foundation. Creates the illusion of more space. One of the biggest benefits on offer when painting your home white is the illusion it gives off much more space. As white paint attracts natural light, it will increase the brightness of your room and home and create a warm and inviting environment. Timeless appearance. Due to the classic and timeless appearance that white paint generates, the choice to go neutral when painting your home is always the right choice. White paint will never go out of style. Allows for more styling options. As previously stated, painting your home white provides the perfect solution for decor and styling throughout your whole home. You can use any color, design, pattern, or textile you want, and change up your styling whenever you want. The versatility that comes along with painting your home white is exponential. White walls will enhance the level of vibrancy and impact of your colored pieces, allowing the pops of color or standout pieces to take pride of place. Maximizes natural light. White surfaces attract light. Painting your home white will produce a bright, more inviting atmosphere along with an energized environment. The introduction of light in your home can elevate moods and productivity, and painting your home white is the easiest way to achieve this. White paint also offers a great insulation solution and option for the exterior of your home as it detracts heat, whereas darker colors retain and absorb the heat, making your home a lot hotter in the summer months. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.